Hey guys, Mark and Swan here from Savannah, Georgia. If you're looking at this video, you want to know how you can generate more leads, more sales, and more reps, and maximize the compensation plan for your Gano Excel business. And that means that you have the right mindset, because network marketing is personal development with a product attached to it. The top earners have simply studied the craft. I want you to be present on this video because I'm going to drop a lot of golden nuggets and reveal industry secrets rapid fire. No fluff, no time wasting, just facts. I'm going to save the number one golden nugget for the very end. Make sure you stay tuned for those instant results. Ready, set, here we go. They sell you on the golden promise. That's when you see those people walking the stage, you see the flashy car, and you think it happened overnight. Let me tell you something. Those people put in a lot of time, a lot of work, and a lot of effort for their network marketing success. Your network marketing company is not your company. You may love the products, the compensation plan, and your upline, but the truth is you don't want to go around Facebook and social media blasting your company logo all over the place. That's because your network marketing company doesn't pay for advertisement. So here's the secret. They have you, the affiliate, making a list of 100 people, contacting family and friends, blitzing at the mall, talking to strangers, and hosting home parties. Guys, I'm not knocking these techniques. I grew up around these techniques, and I know they work in terms of effective networking. However, in terms of effectively marketing your business and attracting your ideal customer and client, it's going to do little for your business. And I once heard one of the top earners saying, hey, you know what? If you talk to 10 people, 2 would take a look. If 10 take a look, 2 would join. If 10 join, 2 would do something. If 10 do something, 2 would become leaders and make serious money. Guys, when I heard that, those were words of encouragement because I was on my 5th list of 100 people and I was still fired up and ready to go. But guess what? Are there 1,250 people on your list? Because here's some real numbers. Instead of talk to, take a look at, join the opportunity, here's what the top earners actually doing. They're getting massive views onto valuable content, which is leading people to either a capture page or a replicated site, at which point the person chooses whether they want to join the opportunity. So imagine, if you talk to 1,250 people, 250 would take a look, of which 50 would do something, and 10 would make serious money. So whether it's talk to or view, it's going to take massive action to get that number of people to what you have to offer. The question is, are you up to the challenge? And who's the audience that's going to produce the least amount of resistance? Guess what? It's not your family and friends. It's not random people on Facebook. It's not random strangers in a parking lot or at the shopping mall. It's going to be other like-minded network marketers, of which 95% are struggling, putting you in a position to offer them value to help them along their journey. So imagine no more, is this one of those things? Is this one of them pyramid things? None of that, because you're going to have the right message for the right people. Your message should attract and repel quickly. It's a common mistake to think your message is for everyone under the sun. Your message is not for everyone under the sun. If you're marketing to everyone, you're marketing to no one. Your traction marketing system, you're going to lead with value and curiosity. You're going to have your lead magnet capture page, a funded proposal, and make sure you're following up and helping out your team. Here's some essential tools you're going to need: a self-hosted blog, a lead magnet capture page, autoresponder, customer relationship manager, and webinar software. Here's some important things to remember. It's social media. It's not business media. People go on Facebook to be social and to be nosy. So with that said, stop pitching. You don't want to be the type of person that's trying to pitch and close people all day. If you find you're just trying to pitch and close people all day, you find you only attract the type of people who try to pitch and close you. So lead with value, and your vibe is going to attract your tribe. Visibility is going to trump ability. You want 2 to 3 valuable posts per day. Make sure you're teaching, promoting, and connecting. MMA, money-making activity, is a contact sport. You want to pre-qualify people who are positive, business-minded, active, and social. You're branding yourself and not your company with this suggested model. Create online content that solves the problems of those who you want to attract. Attract the right people to you, generate a lead, connect with the lead, and determine the need. At that point, you'll have your solution on the other end, because your content marketing plan should be around more leads and more sales as a direct byproduct of the right message for the right market. Here's your number one golden nugget: speed. Your network marketing business lives and dies on 90-day cycles. Your results in your business today are a direct reflection of the work that you did 90 days ago. Hey, guys, I hope you got value from this. If you did, feel free to click the link in the description to continue your education, where I left the exact steps I had to take, where I'm able to generate 10 to 20 red hot leads a day. Some people even sign up into my business on complete autopilot. I want the same for you. Go ahead and click that link, and I'm going to hold you in your hand and walk you through these steps, where I no longer have to hunt down family and friends, blitz at the mall, and do those kind of things. Real modern day marketing technique where you really become the hunted instead of really hunting people down. So go ahead and click that link. I hope you got value from this, and I'll see you on the other side.